Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of health and wellness. Today we are going to talk about the numerous benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a spice that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In this video, we will discuss 10 benefits of turmeric that can positively impact your health and well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to fight off infections and injuries, but chronic inflammation can lead to many diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Studies have shown that curcumin can help to reduce inflammation in the body, thereby protecting against these diseases. Antioxidant properties. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to many diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. By neutralizing these free radicals, curcumin can help to prevent these diseases. Boosts brain function. Curcumin has been shown to increase the levels of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, in the brain. BDNF is a type of growth hormone that plays a crucial role in the growth and survival of brain cells. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to depression and Alzheimer's disease. By increasing BDNF levels, curcumin can help to improve brain function and prevent these diseases. Improves heart health. Curcumin has been shown to improve many factors that contribute to heart diseases, such as reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies have also shown that curcumin can help to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. This can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Relieves pain and stiffness. Curcumin has been shown to have pain-relieving properties that can help to relieve pain and stiffness in the joints. This makes it a promising treatment for conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Boosts immune system. Curcumin has been shown to have immunomodulatory properties, which means that it can help to regulate the immune system. This can help to boost the immune system and improve the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Prevents cancer. Curcumin has been shown to have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. It can also help to reduce the risk of cancer by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Improves digestion. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to improve digestion and relieve digestive problems. Studies have shown that curcumin can help to reduce symptoms of indigestion and improve gut health. Improves skin health. Curcumin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can improve skin health. It can help to reduce inflammation and redness, as well as protect against sun damage and premature aging. Helps with weight loss. Curcumin has been shown to help with weight loss by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to obesity. It can also help to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent weight gain. So there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of turmeric that can positively impact your health and well-being. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be as simple as adding it to your meals or drinking turmeric tea. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is an excellent way to reap its benefits. You can add it to your smoothies, curries, soups, or even your morning oatmeal. For a quick and easy turmeric tea, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot water and a slice of fresh ginger. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.